Replacement mouse feet? The plastic skip pad feet on the bottom of my Logitech G9 mouse, which I love, are getting rather worn down, to the point that the outer shell of the mouse scrapes on the mousepad a bit. I've had the mouse for about 2 years now, so it does get a lot of use. However, I hate having to buy a new mouse when I only need replacement feet. Where can I obtain replacement mouse feet? Is this even possible? Edit: I just received the Hyperglide replacement mouse feet for the G9 in the mail, and they work great. Perfectly cut to exactly the right size. Very smooth mouse action. And you get 2 full sets for $14, so it's not as expensive as I thought.
Mouse feet are apparently made of Teflon, aka polytetrafluoroethylene. I was resigned to buying a broken G9 on eBay and salvaging its feet, but apparently, much to my surprise, it is possible to buy aftermarket mouse feet, aka slider pads. Here are 2 from Hyperglide. Ultimate Add and Slide, Teflon Gaming Mouse Feet, 0.5 millimeter thick. Hyperglide Mouse Skates G9, 0.8 millimeters thick. This URL also sells a variety of replacement mouse feet, both custom fit to particular mice and generic one-size-fits-all. However, they don't have anything for the G9, and I saw one user review that was negative. Please don't recommend SlickSurf to me. I've tried those and I thought they were just pieces of plastic that were not slick at all. Not to mention they were not cut precisely like other feet I've bought. Furthermore, because of their hardness, I felt like I was grinding into my mousepad every time I used my mouse with those things on. Archetype rough mousepad. The reason I listed the thickness above is that I need to be careful that I'm not getting flimsy, ultra-thin Teflon tape. I've tried this before, and it sucks, but actual Teflon plastic feet. I also found a video of somebody applying the Hyperglide custom mouse feet, and they indeed look like replacement slider pads. This URL. Also check eBay, as I found a number of HK vendors selling good thick Teflon G9 feet for cheap there too.
Your mouse is a Logitech one, and they have an excellent customer support. Just contact their support by mail, explain your situation, that you need replacement feet, and they will most likely ask you for a delivery address to send you new feet for free. You can be sure that these ones will match, moreover, as they will be official. I did that several times for my past mice, and they always sent. One thing which is great without a doubt with Logitech, from my personal experience, it's their support.
eBay is a great place to look for replacement mouse feet, and not just from a broken mouse. When I bought a Microsoft Hobu, which I love, it first came minus one of the pads. It was second hand. I found replacements on eBay for $3, hard to beat that.
I think the best solution is Nuki's one, but yes, there are aftermarket mouse feet. There are usually sold as rectangular self-adhesive pads that you have to cut the shape you want. Have a look on gaming mice manufacturer websites such as Razer. These are pre-cut, Myonix and probably Rocat, Steel Series. You can also check computer shops, Solids or online. It depends where you live. I know about Newegg.com in USA for example.
That's